Dinuduyan niya yung paa kung may pilay. Duyan.
Do not touch.
No.
Duyan.
Do you want to play again?
No.
Go. Galing go.
Sabi niya.
We do want this. Go. This.
Dinuduyan niya.
This. You.
Pwede na to. Oo. Oo, pwede yan.
Kanta ka.
You.
I will lay to the right.
Do you want to play again?
No.
No.
Why?
This. Me.
Do you want
Daddy.
to play again?
Ayaw English?
No.
Do you want to play again?
No.
Hindi.
Okay, babe.
Sili.
Batang magaling mag-English, 3 taon pa lang.
Okay. Okay.
Ah.
Hey, where are you going?